Imagine a world without ice cream. No cones on sunny afternoons, no birthday sundaes, no frozen treats cooling children on hot summer days. It feels almost impossible because today, ice cream is one of the world's most beloved desserts, enjoyed by billions of people across nearly every continent. But here's the real mystery. Ice cream wasn't invented by a modern company or a famous chef. Its story stretches back thousands of years, crossing ancient empires, dangerous trade routes, royal palaces, and scientific breakthroughs. By the end of this documentary, you'll discover that every scoop of ice cream carries a history far richer than its flavor. Long before electricity, refrigerators, or supermarkets existed, keeping anything frozen seemed almost impossible. In many parts of the ancient world, ice was considered more valuable than luxury goods. During the scorching summers, snow and ice had to be transported from distant mountains, carefully wrapped in straw, stored deep underground, and protected from the relentless heat. Only the wealthiest rulers could afford such an extraordinary luxury. One of the earliest civilizations to master this challenge was ancient Persia. More than 2,000 years ago, Persian engineers built remarkable structures known today as Yakhchāls, massive dome-shaped ice houses capable of preserving ice even in the middle of the desert. Using ingenious architecture, thick insulated walls, underground chambers, and natural airflow, these structures kept ice frozen for months despite the blazing sun above. It was one of the greatest engineering achievements of the ancient world. With this precious ice, Persians created chilled delicacies unlike anything most people had ever tasted. Snow was mixed with fragrant fruit syrups, rosewater, saffron, honey, and aromatic herbs, producing elegant frozen desserts reserved for royalty and important celebrations. While these creations weren't identical to modern ice cream, they revealed something remarkable. Humanity had already begun transforming frozen water into moments of joy thousands of years before the invention of refrigeration. Around the same period, another frozen tradition was quietly developing thousands of miles away in ancient China. Historical accounts describe mixtures of milk, rice, and natural flavorings that were cooled using ice and salt, creating creamy frozen treats enjoyed by members of the imperial court. Though very different from today's recipes, these experiments demonstrated an early understanding of freezing techniques that would influence culinary traditions for centuries. Then came one of history's most famous stories. According to ancient accounts, the Roman Emperor Nero ordered servants to race into the nearby mountains to collect fresh snow. The snow was brought back to the palace, where it was combined with fruit juices, honey, and sweet flavors to create luxurious frozen refreshments during Rome's sweltering summers. Whether every detail of the story is completely accurate remains debated by historians, but it reflects one undeniable truth. Frozen desserts had become powerful symbols of wealth, innovation, and prestige throughout the ancient world. Yet none of these civilizations had created the ice cream we know today. The greatest transformation was still centuries away, and it would begin with a scientific discovery that quietly changed the future of frozen food forever. The breakthrough came from an unexpected discovery. Ancient cooks learned that mixing ice with salt dramatically lowered the freezing temperature, allowing liquids to become colder than ice alone ever could. It was a simple scientific principle, but it opened the door to an entirely new world of frozen desserts. Without understanding chemistry as we do today, these early innovators had stumbled upon one of the most important techniques in culinary history. As trade expanded across Asia, the Middle East, and Europe, recipes, spices, and ideas traveled alongside silk, precious metals, and rare fabrics. Among these exchanges were the secrets of chilled desserts. Arab scholars and cooks refined the art of freezing sweet mixtures, combining sugar, fruit, floral waters, and milk into smoother, more sophisticated creations. Their innovations spread throughout the Islamic world, where frozen delicacies became symbols of elegance, hospitality, and celebration. Centuries later, these ideas found new life in Renaissance Italy. Wealthy, noble families competed to serve the most extravagant banquets imaginable, where food was not merely nourishment, it was a display of power and prestige. Skilled chefs experimented tirelessly with cream, fresh milk, eggs, sugar, and fruit, carefully freezing the mixtures while constantly stirring them by hand. The result was remarkably smoother and richer than anything that had existed before. It wasn't quite the ice cream we enjoy today, but it was becoming surprisingly close. From Italy, the frozen dessert quickly captured the imagination of European royalty. Lavish courts in France and England embraced these luxurious treats, serving them only during grand celebrations and royal feasts. Ice cream became an exclusive pleasure reserved for kings, queens, nobles, and the wealthiest members of society. Ordinary people could admire it, but very few would ever taste it. For centuries, that exclusivity remained unchanged. Creating frozen desserts required enormous amounts of natural ice harvested during winter, expensive ingredients imported through dangerous trade routes, and skilled labor that only the rich could afford. A single serving represented wealth, engineering, and global commerce frozen into one elegant dish. Then, history took another dramatic turn. The Industrial Revolution transformed nearly every aspect of human life. Factories accelerated production, railroads connected distant cities, and scientific innovation advanced at breathtaking speed. But one invention would forever change the future of ice cream: mechanical refrigeration. For the first time, frozen desserts no longer depended entirely on winter snow or mountain ice. Ice cream could now be produced consistently, transported farther than ever before, and eventually sold to ordinary families instead of just royalty. What had once been one of history's greatest luxuries was about to become one of its most accessible pleasures. And with that transformation, ice cream began its incredible journey toward becoming a dessert loved in every corner of the world. As refrigeration spread across Europe and North America during the 19th century, ice cream escaped the walls of royal palaces and entered ordinary neighborhoods. Small ice cream parlors began appearing in busy cities, welcoming families, couples, and children eager to experience a dessert that had once been reserved for kings. What was once a symbol of privilege was becoming a symbol of happiness that almost anyone could enjoy. Then came another unexpected invention that changed everything. At the 1904 World's Fair in St. Louis, according to one popular story, an ice cream vendor reportedly ran out of serving dishes. Nearby, a waffle seller rolled one of his warm waffles into a cone, creating a simple, edible container that customers could carry while walking. Although historians continue to debate the exact origins of the ice cream cone, the event helped popularize one of the most recognizable food combinations in history. Suddenly, ice cream was no longer confined to bowls. It had become portable, convenient, and even more enjoyable. The 20th century transformed ice cream into a global phenomenon. Advances in refrigeration, transportation, and food manufacturing allowed factories to produce millions of servings every day. New flavors appeared constantly: rich chocolate, creamy vanilla, fresh strawberry, salted caramel, pistachio, green tea, mango, cookies and cream, and countless others. Every culture added its own unique twist. Italy perfected silky gelato. Japan introduced delicate flavors inspired by matcha and seasonal ingredients. India blended traditional sweets with frozen desserts. Around the world, ice cream evolved while reflecting local traditions and tastes. But its worldwide success wasn't driven by flavor alone. Scientists now understand that ice cream is carefully designed to delight the human brain. Sugar activates the brain's reward system, releasing dopamine that creates feelings of pleasure. Fat delivers richness and a smooth, satisfying texture. Tiny air bubbles whipped into the mixture create lightness, while serving it cold slows melting just enough to extend every bite. Even the sound of a crisp cone breaking or the sight of colorful scoops can trigger anticipation before the first taste. Ice cream isn't simply delicious, it is an experience engineered by both nature and science. Today, billions of servings are enjoyed every year in nearly every country on Earth. From bustling cities to remote villages, from luxury restaurants to neighborhood ice cream trucks, this frozen dessert has become a universal language of celebration. Birthdays, weddings, summer vacations, first dates, childhood memories, and family gatherings are all connected by something as simple as a scoop of ice cream. So what is the untold story of ice cream? It isn't merely the story of milk, sugar, or frozen cream. It's the story of ancient engineers who preserved ice beneath scorching deserts, of traders who carried ideas across continents, of inventors who harnessed science, and of generations who transformed a royal luxury into one of humanity's favorite desserts. The next time you unwrap an ice cream bar, lift a spoonful from a bowl, or hear the satisfying crunch of a fresh cone, remember, you aren't just enjoying a sweet treat. You're tasting more than 2,000 years of history, innovation, and human imagination, frozen into a single scoop.